Hi everyone, in today's video I wanted to share with you guys how I turned my 613 wigs from brassy yellow blonde to a white platinum blonde. So to achieve that icy silver look that I really want, I'm going to be using a new product, which is the Biolage purple shampoo. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, there's also a wig giveaway. So if any of you have ever shopped for a 613 wig, you know that this is how they typically come. Some girls like their 613 wigs as is and they just leave them like this. Me, on the other hand, I prefer a more, again, icy white color. You have to keep in mind that to achieve such a bright blonde already is a lot of processing, so I really do not recommend to use toner on this hair. Instead, I recommend you buy a purple shampoo. A purple shampoo is going to tone down that brass and give you a cooler tone of blonde with minimal damage. In the past, I've used Shimmering Lights shampoo as well as a L'Oreal purple shampoo. But today I just wanted to try something different, and I'm really happy with the way it came out. This shampoo is really deep and vibrant, so you want to be very careful not to leave it on for too long because it can definitely dye your hair pretty much. If you leave it on too long, you'll be left with purple hair instead of blonde. So you definitely want to work fast with this specific brand as well compared to the Shimmering Lights and the L'Oreal one. A little goes a very long way. Keep in mind that this is just a shampoo, so if you do make a mistake and some of it does turn out purple, it'll come out in just a few washes. And whenever that brassiness starts to come through a little bit more, all you need to do is another purple wash. As you can see, I started with the roots, so that's definitely going to be the most purple out of all of the hair. But what I really appreciate about this shampoo compared to the others, doing a pretty messy job, but you'll see in the results, it tones super evenly. Here I'm just brushing it through to just try to get the product to distribute as evenly as possible. I let the shampoo sit for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing, and here is the final result. Beautiful, even, icy white blonde. Look at that comparison. Look at that yellow brass in the before. So you can definitely see a little bit of the purple coming through at the root, but it's definitely not as bad as I expected it to be. And again, it comes out in just a few washes, so it's nothing really to worry about. Let me know what you guys think of the final results. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. And as promised, it's giveaway time. Today's giveaway features a wig from the brand Dolly Hair. This wig is a 13x4 lace front, deep wave human hair wig, 180% density and 20 inches. The wig will arrive to you brand new, uncut lace. The only thing I did to it was wash it just to make sure and test the quality. And after that wash, the curls bounced right back and retained their shine and moisture. So I'm definitely super excited for whoever wins this wig. I'm going to make it super easy and simple to enter. This giveaway is obviously for subscribers only. And all I'm going to ask you to do is to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to be choosing randomly from all the commenters. Make sure you check out the description for any further details, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And thanks again for watching.